10 facts about dogs that will surprise you. First of all, they have a sense of time. That's why they know exactly when it's time to eat, but never when it's time to stop destroying your shoes. Their noses are 40 times more powerful than ours, allowing them to sense your emotions and your sandwich on the other side of the house. Tell me in the comments if you know of any others, and share the video if you love dogs. Dogs dream too. If you see them moving in their sleep, it could be because they're chasing an imaginary factor. Did you know that Dalmatian puppies are born all white? Their spots appear later, a bit like natural tattoos. And the weirdest thing? Dogs have 3 eyelids, but they still manage to stare at you with miserable eyes until you break. Subscribe to support me and